Or I just hit the button too many times. Okay. Oh. Okay, he's not that low, huh? I'm surprised. I would have expected to see a bird come flying out of there. Maybe he has to think about it. Maybe we have to scare him out.
Well, he's probably fucking...
Probably
checking out.
Well, no, we could hear him fluttering a minute ago. Maybe they're programmed to look for dark holes, but not light holes. Hey.
Hear that? Oh yeah.
He hasn't got anything to grab on the outside. Inside, he can't grab it. Any second now.
There you go. That's a finch.
You ready to go home, buddy? You've been in there a long time?
Later.